Good morning, students. All are fine? Yes. All of you know integration by parts already started and it is already completed. Integration by parts. Okay. Now I will teach the special integration. Okay. Special form of integration. Suppose I am writing here. Okay. See. And all of you know the formula. Remember ddx that is integration sin x. Dx integration cos x dx, everything you should remember. Okay. And by parts also I already gave many shortcut method also. Okay, here also shortcut method I will teach, but first I am giving explaining how to solve the special integration. Okay, special form of integration. See, right, special form of integration, special form of integration. Suppose now number rule 1, right? Rule 1. Suppose integration sin to the power mx dx. Sin to the power mx dx. Suppose m is even odd number, first one. First m is odd number, then what to do? Okay, so keep in mind, if m is odd number, then you will put cos x equal to z. So you put cos x equal to z. Now you are thinking, sir, there is no cos x. Where will you get cos x? Yes, wait, I am showing this one. Sin to the power mx dx. M is odd number. Then you put cos x equal to z. Okay, I am giving example. Suppose integration sin cube x dx. Integration sin cube x dx. So we can write here this part. Look at here. Sin square x into sin x dx we can write. That is sin cube x is there. Okay. So we can write here sin square x into sin x. So this sin square we can write 1 minus cos square x. Yes. Now you are getting, see, cos x. So sin x dx. So now put cos x equal to z. That this part will be minus dz. So write minus 1 minus z square into dz. Now you can get the result. That is, it will be z minus z cube by 3 plus constant c, and you put the value. That is cos x. Okay. So here you get. So minus, I am writing the answer. Okay. Right. So this is minus z plus z cube by 3 plus constant c. So here minus z will be cos x plus 1/3 cos cube x plus c. This is the answer. So if, keep in mind all of you, if sin x, that is m is given odd number, then you put sin cos x equal to z. Cos x equal to z. Okay. Now this is rule 1. Suppose, say, integration again. Suppose sin to the power 5x. Similarly, cos will be z. So I am telling this one. We can write sin to the power 4x into sin square x. Sorry, sin x dx. So right. So this will be 1 minus cos square x whole square into sin x dx. Now cos x equal to z. Say cos x equal to z. So minus 1 minus z square whole square dz. So minus, so this part will be z, sorry, right, z 1 minus 2z square plus z to the power 4 dz. Okay. Now, so 1 minus 2z square plus z to the power 4 dz. So you can write here minus z minus 2/3 z cube plus z to the power 5 by 5 plus constant c. And you put the value here, cos x z is given, you just you put the value, so you will minus cos x minus 2 by 3 cos cube x plus 1 by 5 cos to the power 5x plus c. Okay, so you should remember if m sin to the power mx, m is odd number, then you put cos x equal to z. Suppose m is even number, then what to do? Yes, I am telling the answer. Okay, I am telling the answer. Suppose m is even number, then what to do? What to do? Okay, say rule 2, integration sin to the power mx dx. M is even number. Suppose m is 2, m is 4, m is 6, m is 8, is like that. Then what to do? If m is even number, then you have to convert into multiple angle. Okay, all of you remember multiple angle. Okay, all of you know multiple angle. Yes, multiple angle formula, that is trigonometric formula. All of you remember. All formula in your head. Keep in mind. All formula in your head. All of you remember. So here, suppose m equal to 2. So sin to the power 2x sin square x. So you do half 2 sin square x dx, half, so 2 sin square you can write 1 minus cos 2x dx, no? 2 sin square x, all of you know, 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos 2x. So write half, this will be x minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. So m is even number, then you have converted into multiple angle formula. Multiple or some multiple, this type of formula is very important. So all of you remember this formula. Okay, now suppose sin to the power 4x, sin to the power 4x. Okay, suppose sin to the power 4x, what to do? Say integration similar way sin to the power 4x dx. So you can write here 1 by 4 into 2 sin square x whole square dx. 2 sin square x dx, no? Sin to the 4x, 1/4 you take common, 2 sin square x whole square. So you can write 1/4. This part will be 1 minus cos 2x whole square dx. So 1 by 4. This part will be 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x dx. Okay, so 1 by 4. This will be integration sign again. 1 means x minus 2 sin 2x by 2 plus here cos square 2x. So again some multiple formula applied. Half 2 cos square 2x. Also you can write here half integration 1 plus cos 4x dx. Okay, 1 plus cos 4x dx. So this part will be, wait, so 1/4 into x minus sin 2x plus 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 4x, 1 will be x plus sin 4x, okay, by 4 plus c. This is the answer. And you multiply it. So x here x by 2, 3x by 2. Okay, you have to multiply it. 1 by 4, here x half, that is 3x by 2 minus sin 2x plus 1 by 8 sin to the power 4x plus. Okay, so you should remember, if m in sin to the power mx, if m is even number, then you have to convert into multiple angle formula. Okay, multiple angle formula. Understood? Okay. Yes. Now, similar way, suppose R3 writing rule 4(3). Suppose cos to the power mx dx. Similar way, I am not explaining this part. M, you write m is odd number, then you put sin x equal to z. M is even number, then multiple angle formula, convert into multiple angle formula. Okay, multiple angle formula. Okay, so we are getting cos to the power mx dx. So m is even number, then you have converted into multiple angle formula. M is odd number, then you put sin x equal to z. M is odd number, then you put sin x equal to z. Sin x equal to z. If combine is there, sin and cos combine, then what to do? See, similar process also there. Integration, the rule 3(4) right. Suppose sin to the power mx cos to the power nx dx. Anyone, m or n. Suppose m is odd number. M is right. M equal to odd number. Then what to do? Similar way, m is there. Cos z. Cos x equal to z. Again, n is odd number. Then sin x equal to z. Both are odd number. M and n both are odd number. Only odd. We are showing only odd. Both are odd. M also odd number. N also odd number. Okay. Then what to do? See, if m is odd number, cos x equal to z. N is odd number, sin x equal to z. Okay. Here, what you see? Which is, where is m? The power of cos. So you sin x equal to z. Both are odd. Then what to do? Yes, both are odd. M and n both are m. Then you can write any one, either sin or cos. Sin x or cos x. Any one. You will take any one z. Sin x also power odd. I mean cos x both are odd. Then you put any one, either cos or sin. Okay, either cos or sin. Say, I am showing one sum. Again I am telling. Suppose both are even. Then what to do? If both are even, multiply angle formula, same formula is there. Both are even number, that is m and n. Both are even number. Then you put any one. Okay, sorry. You put multiple angle formula. Okay, multiple angle formula. Now, I am showing the sum. See, suppose integration sin cube x sin cos to the power, suppose 5x dx. Anyone, either sin or cos. I am telling, either sin or cos. See, suppose here sin cube x, you write cos to the power 4x into cos x, you can write dx. Okay. Now integration sin cube x, here cos 4 you can write 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx. Now you put sin x equal to z. then sin x equal to z. So it will be z cube 1 minus z square whole square dz. So right, z cube 1 minus 2z square plus z to the power 4 into dz. That you multiplied, say z cube dz minus 2z5 dz plus z7 dz, z cube z4, z to the power 7 dz. Okay, now see here z cube dz already know will be z to the power 4 by 4 minus 2 z to the power 6 by 6 plus z to the power 8 by 8 plus c. And if we know sin x z, just put the value 1 by 4 sin to the power 4x minus 1/3 sin to the power 6x 1 by 8 sin to the power 8x plus c. This is the answer. Okay? Understood? Okay. Next. This is very important. One important rule is there. If m plus n, the sum is negative even number, suppose minus 2, minus 4, minus 8, m plus n, if m plus n, so negative, the sum is negative even number, then what to do? So it will be, you will do, that is 10x equal to, say right, suppose integration sin to the power mx and cos to the power nx dx, right, m plus n equal to minus even number, negative even number, right. If the sum of the power, that is m and n, power is even number, negative even number, then what to do? So you have to write, note it down, 10x equal to z, then 10x equal to z. This substitution is very important. All of you remember this substitution. Okay, so 10x equal to z. Okay, now I am giving the sum. Look at here. Suppose integration dx by sin square x into cos square x is given. Okay, sin square x into cos square x. See, 2 plus 2, 4 down, so it will be minus 4, so a negative even number. Okay, so negative even number, so you can write 10x equal to z. So this sum you can write here, sin x, say sin square x by cos square x, you can write cos to the power 4x, cos to the power 4x you can write. So right, so 1 by cos, this is sec to the power 4x by tan square x dx. So this formula you can write here, sec square x into 1 plus tan square x by tan square x dx. Okay, sec to the 4x, so you can write sec square x into 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan sec square x and tan square. Now tan x equal to z, you have to consider tan x equal to z. So right, tan x equal to z. Okay, so right, tan x equal to z. Then this part will be dz. So right, integration 1 plus z square by z square dz. So 1 by z square dz making sound, plus dz. So this will be minus 1 by z plus constancy, right? Minus 1 by, okay. So it will be minus 1 by 10x plus only 10x plus constancy. So easy sum is there. Again I am giving one sum, okay. So this sum is easy sum. Next, suppose integration dx by root under sin to the power 7x into cos x, okay, cos x, sin to the 7x, see, so 7 by 2, 1 by 2 power, that is 8 by 2, 8 by 2 means 4, so it will be upper part will be in terms of sin to the power mx, cos to the power nx, so it will be negative even number. So you put 10x equal to z. Keep in mind, if sin to the power mx, cos to the power nx dx, if m plus n negative even number, then you put 10x equal to z. So right. So we can write here dx by root under sin to the power 7x by cos to the power 7x into cos to the power 8x. See, 7x, 8x, so only cos x. So this part, upper will be sec to the power 4x, cos to the power 8, root under, it will be cos to the power 4, outside, cos to sec to the 4, by root under 10 to the power 7x dx, okay. So right, so this will be sec square, that is 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx by 10 to the power 7x, okay. So 10 to the power 7 by 2 of x dx, okay. So 1 plus tan square x sec square x dx by 10 whole to the power 7 by 2 x. Now you write 10x equal to z, okay. Now write 10x equal to z. Right, 10x equal to z. So you can write here 1 plus z square, okay, dz by z to the power 7 by 2, z to the power 7 by 2, okay. So write z to the power minus 7 by 2 dz plus z to the power integration 2 minus 7 by 2, that is 4 minus 3 by 2 dz. So you can write here, okay. So z to the power minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by minus 7 by 2 plus 1 plus z to the power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus constant c gives, okay, constant c. Now so it will be minus 5, 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, z to the power minus 5 by 2, and here minus half, okay, that is minus 3 plus 2 minus half, that is minus 2 z to the power minus half plus constant c. Just minus 2 by 5 we put the value 10 to the power 5 by 2 minus x, okay, minus 2 10 to the power minus half x plus constant c. So remember, if m plus n negative even number, then you have to put 10x equal to z, okay. Now another one sum, that is one rule is there. If suppose a sin x b cos x by a cos x plus b sin x dx. This is given. How to do? So here, so both numerator and denominator is sin cos is there, and also constant terms a b both are constant is given. Either a b or lm, any one constants are there. Suppose pq here. Okay. So first this you should remember. Otherwise you can't solve in exam hall. If you do not remember this type of formula, this type of rule, then you can't proceed in exam hall. Okay. So all of you remember, this is the one important rules are there. So this part only, that is numerator. Okay. You have to consider numerator. So right. Let a sin x plus b cos x equal to L into this part, that is denominator, a cos x plus b sin x plus m, another, this is constant, L, both are constant, m, again ddx of numerator, that is a cos x plus b sin x. Okay, you remember this part, a sin x plus b cos x equal to L into a cos x plus b sin x, that is this part, plus m into ddx of this part. Okay, so numerator equal to L into denominator plus m into ddx of denominator. You keep in mind, ddx of denominator. If you remember, then you can solve in exam hall. But if you do not remember, you can't solve. This is the things. Understood? Yes. I am showing answer. Then today I have to complete. Okay? See. Suppose integration is sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. So easy sum is there. Okay, sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. So write sin x, this is numerator. So write L into this part, sin x plus cos x. Okay, sin x plus cos x plus m into ddx of sin x plus cos x. Okay, L into denominator plus m into ddx of denominator. So write L into, in bracket write sin x plus cos x plus m ddx sin x all of cos x minus sin x. Now we can write L minus m into sin x. You have to multiply L sin x, L cos x, okay, and m cos x minus m sin x. So writing L minus m into sin x plus L plus m of cos x. See, here sin x is given. Now you have to comparing the coefficient of sin x and cos x. You have to compare sin x, the coefficient of sin x and cos x. So write L minus m equal to 1 and L plus m equal to 0. See, here cos x, that's why any cos x is there? No cos x. The coefficient will be 0. So L plus m equal to 0. Now add twice L equal to 1, L equal to half. And put L, that is m also minus half. L plus m 0. If L will be half, then m will be minus half. Now you put here. See, you will put this part. Wait. L half, m minus half. Okay. So right, this integration is given. So integration this part L half into right sin x plus cos x. This is minus half ddx of sin x cos x. Okay. So right ddx of right no problem. Sin x will be cos x minus sin x by here is given sin x cos x. So sin x plus cos x dx. So half integration this by this sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. It will be 1. So right integration dx minus half integration right cos x minus sin x by sin x plus cos x dx. So right half x minus half. If we put this part, so this ln z, that is sin x plus cos x will z, you will cos x minus sin x. So dx by x dz. Okay, so that is dz by z log z. So right half log of mod you will give sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. All of you understood this type of sum? Okay. Now I will give the study material and worksheet also, and everything I will give. All of you practice at home. Okay. Okay. No more today.